Today I'm taking a look at the DCK Cordless Brushless Angle Grinder. I do appreciate that it actually comes with a very nice case with lettering on it that aren't just like the same color as the rest of the case. They actually put some work into that. And it's even got a flip out handle. That's nice. We got our instructions. We have our battery charger. We got a couple of LED indicators there. And it says that outputs 2 amps at 20 volts. It does also come with a battery. And that is a 4 amp 20 volt battery. It does have a standard clip style lock and even has the positive and negative labeled. That's cool. It actually comes with a pack of discs. We got 2 flapper wheels, we got 2 grinding wheels, and we got 2 cutoff wheels. So here is our guard. It's actually a fairly robust guard. You can see we got teeth right there where we can mesh in, and it does have a push button release. Here's our spanner wrench. That is pretty unique. So very nice feeling side grip. Pretty have standard threading on there, and that is hollow, so it is reducing weight. Really like that rubber finish on there. So now for the grinder. Oh, that's interesting. So it actually comes with an extra guard. So this guard is going to be open on the back. This guard is closed on the back. Interesting. So if we want to rotate that around, just press that button. That does lock in. We do have a push button for our arbor. We can use that to make sure it doesn't spin on us. I'm going to throw on a grinding wheel and give it a little crank. So this does have an automatic lock on it, which is excellent. So if we want this to be momentary, all we have to do is apply pressure here on the back. If we want it to lock, we just push that up and let it go. It does have a mounting spot on both sides, so we can mount the handle left-handed or right-handed. They actually put a screen on the air vent on this. That's something you don't normally see on pretty much any tool. That's very nice, so we don't have to worry about clogging and messing up this tool. So we do have a very nice rubber grip on here as well. This is a little odd. Okay, so that does come off. So it's just letting us know that we need to make sure that if we're putting on a grinder, that is being rated for that speed. Grinders run very fast. This has an incredibly nice grip. Very large grip as well. I have a pretty big hand, and this even feels big for my hand, so that is pretty surprising. Don't normally get that. And we have our speed selector right here. So we got 1. Oh, that's nice. Very quiet too. That is surprisingly quiet. Wow. Even on max speed, that thing is not blowing my ears out. That is surprising. So in the instructions, it says that it's 4,000, 6,500, and 9,000 revolutions per minute. So we can see written right here, it does have a brushless motor on it. So that means the battery is going to last longer. It's going to have more power, and you're not going to get that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. And that's interesting. It looks like they even put flats on there, so if you really want to torque this guy down, you can. Never seen anybody do that, but that does have that on there if you want to. So the one thing I am seeing with the case, looks like we can't leave the grinder head on there, but we are going to have to take off the handle if we want to use the foam as it is. Now this is actually wide enough that if we wanted to, we could just cut out this foam so we could put it in there exactly like that. It's going to really depend on how you want to put your tool up. So here I got a plate with a weld on it, so let's go ahead and cut into that. So yeah, that guy cuts real quick and surprisingly quiet for what it is. I mean, it's a grinder, especially when you start making contact on that metal, it's still going to make a bunch of noise. But that is probably one of the quietest grinders I've ever heard. So yeah, I'm impressed with that. That thing feels extremely robust. It definitely works very well. Love the fact that it comes with a 4 amp hour battery. That is an excellent grinder. I'm happy with that.